something? Get that ball to stick to the ball. Got a bead here. I can't get the ball to stick to the ball. And bead part, there's a hole in the bead now. See if I can get it to stay. Okay. Now we got a flat spot, and it stays. Just get it off that flat spot, it falls off. Now let's just say that this globe is a giant magnet. It's a super magnet. And these two balls here are just balls of steel. We all know that magnets have different grades of force that they draw with. And this globe, being a magnet, is to demonstrate to you people that it's bullshit. Think about it. The globe is a magnet. You could put this piece of metal right here, and if this was a strong enough magnet, it would hold that there. Or up here. Let's go up here. It would hold that there. Take the same material, metal, if this were metal, bigger. The magnetic force that held this piece of metal to the ball is sufficient to hold this sphere to the sphere, but it's not quite strong enough to hold this sphere to the sphere. So it would roll down and hang off the bottom, while this chunk of steel would remain up here. Now let's reverse these roles a little bit. Now let's say this globe is just iron, and these balls are actually magnets. Now this little magnet here, it may not be strong enough to hold itself here, so it will roll down to the bottom. But this bigger ball, it could be a stronger ball magnet, able to support itself right there if you just put it there. But the little one can't. Are you getting it yet, people? The Earth can't detect what size things are. Gravity can't detect. Or it would have to be totally selective. Are you with me? I mean, it's not much simpler than that. You can't just grab some magnets, or just even, you can do this in your mind with what you know on the physics of magnets and how they work. And you know dang good and well, if you have a magnetic force, large spherical ball that was able to hold this magnetic ball up here, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to hold that bigger ball there. Now, it could be strong enough to hold that bigger ball there and the littler ball there, But then that would increase the actual weight. Impossible. There would be more force drawn down on this to be enough force to hold this. Do you see what I'm saying? Gravity is bullshit. It's a lie to support this. Anyway, that's what I have on this one here.